We're here on the Datapath stand inside the booth, and I'm joined by Adam today. Welcome, Adam.
Hi, thank you.
So it's been a while since Aetria was launched, and we covered that extensively on the website, and we did videos and all that. I think it's a hugely interesting product. I think it'll be a hugely influential product going forward. Has it made a difference this week, being able to talk to people and people to get their hands on it finally?
Oh, yeah, without a doubt. I mean, that's key to Aetria, is seeing it. It's, you know, there's a lot to it behind the scenes. And seeing all that on data sheets is quite daunting, I suppose. But actually, to be able to get out there on that show floor and really show people the simplicity of it, how easy it's to do, how flexible it is, has been absolutely brilliant. Yeah.
Because when it was launched, it really felt like this is a new way of looking at control room design and stuff. Has that been a difficult message to get across to the market? Has that been a challenge for you guys to get people to think maybe slightly differently than they did before?
Yeah, I suppose it has in a way. Aetria is about anything, anywhere, being able to put content wherever you want to do it. And we're not the only ones doing that, putting source content onto the network. But we've gone down the route of trying to keep ultra low latency, pristine quality. So getting people to understand the difference between sort of 1 gig networks and 10 gig networks, and why you'd use one over the other, and the pitfalls of your 1 gig and the compression to that compared to our own codec that we've developed on this 10 gig side to get this pristine quality is not the easiest message to get out there when other people are saying theirs is the best, and okay, fair enough then. But that's where we've struggled, I think, and that's being able to come here and do this and show them the difference.
Yes, being able to actually look someone in the eye and explain to them, I guess, makes it
without a doubt. Yeah.
So Adam, earlier on you talked about transmission. Obviously, that's something that our viewers will know Datapath for. You've always been good at moving AV signals from point to point. All transmission is not the same though, is it? And I think that's an important message you maybe want to try and get across, that a lot of the booths will say they do things, and there are very, very different ways of moving AV around.
Yeah, and that comes again into that 1 gig and 10 gig sort of side, is people are saying, yes, we can take 4K and we can put it on a 1 gig network and we can take it to where you want it to be. And yes, they can, but compression comes into that. You're going to start to see latency and artifacts, whereas Datapath have taken the view of, well, we can do this better, so let's develop our own codec on 10 gig networks. It means we can get pristine quality, ultra low latency, and flexibly move that about and really give you that high quality when you need it. But at the same time, we're also able to say, well, let's utilize a 1 gig network as well, and if you do need it somewhere else, that the pristine quality or the latency isn't quite as needy, then we can do that as well. So we're giving the ultimate flexibility, I suppose. Pristine where you need it, some compression where you necessarily might need to move to a different space that is bandwidth restricted, I suppose. So yeah, it's a message we're getting out there, and say we're showing people, they're seeing it, and hopefully the proof will be in the pudding when they see it.
Yeah, and hopefully it'll help system integrators ask the right questions of some of these manufacturers.
Yes, without a doubt. And it just, I suppose it's thinking outside of what you're being told and question. And when you question, hopefully you'll uncover some truths, and we're there with that.
Adam, many thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.